Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the 6.5-inch Max 800W outdoor Bluetooth speakers, waterproof, wired with multifunctional amplifier wall-mount outdoor speaker system for patio, garden, poolside, home, which is special because it offers a high power output of 800 watts and comes with a multifunctional amplifier, making it perfect for outdoor events and parties. This product is ideal for homeowners who want to create an entertainment system for their patio, garden, or poolside, and are looking for a reliable and waterproof solution that can withstand various weather conditions. Let me break down the specs. This speaker system comes with a 6.5-inch woofer and a 1-inch tweeter, and is powered by a Class D amplifier with a maximum power output of 800 watts, with a frequency response of 50 Hz to 20 kHz, and a signal-to-noise ratio of 90 dB. The system has a sensitivity of 88 dB and an impedance of 4 ohms, and it supports Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, with a range of up to 100 feet. It also has a multifunctional amplifier with a built-in FM radio and a USB port for playing music from a flash drive, and it weighs 12.5 pounds, with dimensions of 10.5 by 7.5 by 6.5 inches. The system comes with a 12V3A power adapter, and it has a waterproof rating of IP65, making it suitable for outdoor use. The system also has a wall mount bracket, making it easy to install, and it comes with a remote control for easy operation. The speaker system has a built-in equalizer with 5 preset modes, and it supports pairing with up to 2 devices at the same time. The amplifier also has a built-in cooling system, with a heat sink and a fan to prevent overheating. In real-world use, this speaker system performs exceptionally well, with clear and balanced sound and a good bass response. The Bluetooth connectivity is stable and reliable, and the system can play music for up to 8 hours on a single charge, although this may vary depending on the volume level and the type of music being played. The display on the amplifier is easy to read, even in sunlight, and the system is easy to operate, with a simple and intuitive interface. The build quality is also impressive, with a sturdy and durable construction that can withstand rough handling and harsh weather conditions. The audio quality is also excellent, with clear and detailed sound and a good balance between the highs and the lows. Real-world reviews praise the system's sound quality, with many users commenting on the clear and balanced sound and the good bass response. Users also love the system's durability and weather resistance, with many reporting that it can withstand heavy rain and extreme temperatures.